For today, let's look at this question from IMO 1995 question 2. Let ABC be positive real numbers such that the product equals 1. You ask to prove that 1 over A cubed times B plus C plus 1 over B cubed times C plus A times 1 over C cubed A plus B is at least 3 over 2. We are going to use Cauchy inequality and AM-GM inequality to prove this inequality. Please have a good try before you look at the answer.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
So first of all, let us rewrite this expression and let it to be k. I'll write as 1 over a squared times 1 over ab plus c. Likewise, for the second term, 1 over b squared, 1 over b c plus a, and finally 1 over c squared, 1 over c a plus b. Now, we also let j to be a b plus c, b c plus a, and c a plus b. Recall that for Cauchy inequality, summation ai squared times summation bi squared greater than or equals to square of summation ab. So this means that j times k will be at least the square of the sum of the multiplication of the terms. The multiplication of these two terms will be 1 over a squared after we cancel the a, b plus c. And we actually take the square root of it, that is just 1 over a. Likewise, this is 1 over b, and the next one is 1 over c. And this equals to abc, ab plus bc plus ca square. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Now we look at the j again. J is actually equals to ab here and ab here. There will be 2ab. And also bc and bc, 2bc and 2ca. So this is 2 of ab plus bc plus ca. Therefore, this means that j is double of ab plus bc plus ca times k will be greater than or equals to this value here, because abc is equals to 1. So this will be ab plus bc plus ca and square. Now this means that k will be greater than or equals to half times ab plus bc plus ca. Next, we use the AM-GM inequality for these three terms. So it will be greater than or equals to 3 times the product to the power of 1 over 3. And the product is AB times BC times CA. So it will be A squared, B squared, C squared, and because of ABC equals to 1, this term will be equals to 1 to the power of 1 over 3 is still equals to 1. So this is 3 over 2. And it's obvious that the equality holds if A equals to B equals to C equals to 1, and therefore this value 3 over 2 is achievable. With this, we have shown this inequality from IMO 1995. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.